Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the TikTok application. So today we will talk why you can have 0 views on the selected video. Of course, the first reason you can think about is because you have broken the community rules. But today in this tutorial we will show you 3 different options why you can also have no views inscription on the last video. So let's check all of them, and right now we are on our profile page where we have 0 views on the last video. So let's fix this problem. First and foremost, we need to check the privacy settings for the selected TikTok. So let's click on the video one time. Later we need to tap on the 3 dots icon at the right side of the screen and choose the privacy settings icon. Later, let's pick on the arrow near the first feature, and if we have the activated friends or only me options, which means that our video will be hidden from others and will be saved from other users. So to make your TikTok popular and to unhide it, let's pick on the first dot all beside the everyone option. So it was the first reason why your TikTok can be hidden and can have 0 views. And also, as you can see, the special icon which was the indicator of the privacy settings was disappeared. So as I said, it was the first reason. Another one, the second one, is that your account right now is private. In this way, only you can see your created TikTok and no one can check all of them. So let's discover these settings and let's fix them if you don't want to have a private account. So to get access to the customizations, let's tap on the 3 lines at the top of the screen and choose the last option, settings and privacy. Later, you need to pick on the second feature, privacy. And if your switch is green, it means that your account is private. To make your account popular, to unhide, as I said before, your TikToks, you need to tap on this toggle, on this first toggle, or beside the private account, to make it gray. Don't forget to choose the switch option below to confirm your choice. And right now your account is in the normal mode. So it was the second option, the second reason why you have the 0 views. And the third one, the last one, is that your video is in process. So it means that you just only have to wait a minute before the uploading. But how to check it if your video is in process? You just only need to try to share it with your friends. To do this, let's tap on the 3 dots here, and let's for example, you have a lot of different options to share. I will choose my friends from the top of the screen, as an example HardReset.Info, to share my created TikTok with him. So let's pick on it and tap on the send. So if we did it, if we have this notification that this process was done, it means that our video isn't in process. But if we aren't able to do this, it means that our video will be uploaded, but a little bit later. So we will have the special notification and alert at the top if our video needs some more time. So guys, right now I hope that you know all of the options and cases why you have this trouble with 0 views. Yes, it's a real problem if you had broken the community rules, but as I said, we have other options and you need to check all of them before deleting your TikTok. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on YouTube and also on TikTok. You have this account here with the special green logo. So goodbye!